You wake up, reach for your phone, scroll through messages, maybe check Instagram, then you drag yourself out of bed already feeling behind. Sound familiar? Most of us don't realize it, but our morning routine is stealing our energy. Not because we're lazy, but because we're starting the day reacting, not resetting. A few months ago, I noticed I felt drained even after 8 hours of sleep. So I decided to completely reset my mornings, and here's what changed everything. Step 1. No screen for the first 30 minutes. I know, it sounds impossible, but that one habit reduced my anxiety and helped me feel more present. Instead, I open the window, take 3 deep breaths, and sip warm lemon water. Step 2. Light movement. Not a workout, just 5 minutes of stretching or walking barefoot on the grass. It wakes up your body, naturally. And it signals your brain, hey, we're ready to go. Step 3. Eat to fuel, not just to fill. I swapped out cereal for a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think, oats with almond butter, chia seeds, and berries. No sugar crash, no foggy brain. And lastly, I started journaling. Not pages and pages, just a simple check-in. What am I grateful for today? It changed the tone of my whole day. Now, I feel clear, energized, and way more in control of my day before the world pulls me in. So, if you're tired of feeling tired, try changing your first hour. Because how you start your morning shapes everything that follows. Will you like and subscribe if this inspired you, and comment your favorite morning habit.